Welcome back to part 2, guys. Part 1, I was still looking for him. I couldn't find him, so this is part 2 now. Let's see. I'm looking. He's not in this room. I'm looking in his mom's room. Is he in the bathroom? No, let's see. He might be in the closet, guys. Let's look. I just heard someone just say meow. What the? It took you too long, guys. I was like,
I'm getting tired here. I was like, I'm tired here. I'm just waiting for you. Why is it taking you so long?
Okay, so one more round of me hiding.
One more round. Ellie has to hide, and then this will be the end of the video. This somehow will not be my shortest video.
This won't be either. My choice.
Your shortest video was 6 seconds.
I know.
What do you make shorts?
What? I make
Your shortest video should be. You should retitle it that, and then hashtag shorts.
Okay, that's just it. I'm gonna go hide. Peace.
Wait.
Oh, she's counting. No peeking. I need help, Mom. I need to hide under here.
Okay.
You cover me up. Can you cover me up with a blanket? Thank you. Okay, so my other pillows and blanket.
Is he coming?
He's counting still. Okay, I'm hiding. He's coming. What? Okay.
Where's the pillow? How's a pillow?
What?
The pillow?
Jesus!
You really didn't see her the first time?
No, I looked over this and I saw a pillow. I was like, okay, so that was the end. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so
Bye.
that'll be the end.
You ready for
See
swim?
you guys
End of
in the next
part
video.
2.
It's 11 o'clock.
Next
You guys ready for
video.
swim?